Hi everyone, it's Howard here again today. Super excited to showcase this new house I just listed in sunny TSAWWASSEN, right beside TSAWWASSEN Mills. It's located at 1779 Swan Road and is built by Aquilini and situated in a quiet inside street with an amazing ocean view. It is the largest house on the largest lot in this entire neighborhood. So I cannot wait to show you inside. Let's go. This 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath home features an amazing floor plan. In this living room, there's a gas fireplace, there's custom built-in cabinets, 18 feet vaulted ceilings, and big glass windows for a ton of natural light. Now let's go and take a look at this kitchen. Okay, and in this kitchen, there's a ton of countertop space for your cooking pleasure, a large island for entertaining, gas range, wall oven, and Frigidaire appliances, which by the way, is one of the top brands for reliability on Consumer Report. Over on this side, there's an area with a sink, which I will definitely use as a bar, and a 6x6 pantry to store all your food during the pandemic. There's also a formal dining room that you can use for other purposes like fitting a grand piano or make it into a kids' play area. The den with the French doors by the entrance is perfect for a home office. Also on the first floor is a full-size laundry room and a second master bedroom with an ensuite, great for guests or seniors for convenience. The master bedroom upstairs is extremely spacious, features a window seat, big walk-in closet, and another fireplace, even a balcony to watch the ocean views. Ensuite has a deep soaker tub, new heat floor heating, standing shower, and double sinks. Did I mention the house comes with central vacuum, hot water on demand system, and all bedrooms include walk-in closets. So this beautiful home is sitting on leasehold land with TSAWWASSEN First Nation. Some buyers and realtors steer away from leasehold simply because you don't own the land. There are definitely things to consider when buying a leasehold, such as the term. And the standard term is 99 years. In this case, there's 95 years left in the term, so there's a ton of time. It is also a prepay leasehold, meaning all the fees associated is already paid for the entire term up front. So there are no additional fees or monthly charges that you may have to be responsible for, unlike other types of leaseholds. So really it feels no different than a traditional way of owning a house. So if you want to learn more or want to come see the house, you contact me ASAP. Because why? Because this will not last long in this hot market. See you next time.